To Fiji the first time about 20 years ago when I was about Malcolm's age. I got introduced to Fijian music then when I was out at St. Christopher's and staying there, and I still don't know the name of the song, I still don't know the name of the artist, but I've got it still on my playlist, and I love it, and it's great to be involved here with Fiji music once again. So just to get formality started, Westpac Head of Corporate, Marketing and Sustainability, Rowena Taito, Fiji Times General Manager Christine Lyons, who promises she'll sing next year, Communications Fiji Limited General Manager Charles Taylor, Fiji Performing Rights Association Chairman Eramasi Tamani-Sao, members of the media, ladies and gentlemen. I'm delighted to be here this morning to announce the return of the Domova Tale Music Competition. And thank you so much for the performance of last year's winners. The Australian High Commission started this competition last year to unearth the natural musical talent which is in abundance here in Fiji. We wanted to create a platform that would take this talent and showcase it to the world. Last year, we had over 130 songs submitted to the competition, and were able to present our 10 finalists to all of Fiji. The competition has created artists that are now household names like Juben and Jay Taleka. 2022 co-winners V5 were also nominated for the FIPRA Awards for Best English Song and featured live on Australia's Pacific Beat radio program. This demonstrates the value of a competition such as Domo Vatale and what it can achieve for young Fijians. No competition, though, can survive without the generous support of sponsors and partners, and this competition is no exception. It is an honour to have friends in Westpac, Fiji Times, Communications Fiji Limited and Kyla to join us in 2023 to help grow this competition. These businesses have long records of supporting young Fijians to embrace everything the world can offer, and we are grateful that they have joined us on this journey. We also have an amazing group of industry partners, some of which I recognise here today, with us to make this competition a success. These include our founding partner, the FIPRA, Knox Entertainment, Phil Dake Music, Tiny Sounds, VTOP and First Fighter. Doma Vatale couldn't happen without their expertise and generous contributions. They have our heartfelt thanks for the contribution they are making to support young Fijians. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my great honour to announce the 2023 Doma Vatale competition officially open. I encourage all young Fijians across Fiji to give this a shot, and I look forward to seeing the incredible talent that we unearth in 2023. Hopefully we see around 200 or more applications this year. All the best, Vinaka Bakaleva. Thank you.